Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get equipment in Rise of Kingdoms. Unlocking equipment in Rise of Kingdoms starts with progressing your city development. To gain access to equipment crafting, you first need to upgrade your city hall to level 16, as this unlocks the blacksmith, the main building responsible for creating gear for your commanders. Once your city hall reaches the required level, head to the military section of your buildings and locate the blacksmith, where you can begin crafting various equipment pieces that enhance your commander's performance. As you continue progressing, improving your VIP level can also provide additional opportunities to obtain stronger and more advanced equipment. Prioritizing city hall upgrades and maintaining steady development will gradually expand your access to better gear and overall combat effectiveness. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.